What's up, fam? Welcome back to Augmented Technology. So, I took my MetaQuest 3 on a 24-hour flight to Thailand. Yes, you heard that right. And I'm here to tell you exactly what went on, whether it was actually worth packing your VR headset up for your next long-haul trip. Now, first of all, this was a really long trip. I had two legs, one was 10 hours, the other was 13, with a 4-hour layover in Istanbul. That's almost an entire day on the plane, and I thought, why not see if the Quest could make my trip a little bit more bearable. Plus, I kind of like being weird. So, good news, getting MetaQuest 3 through security was not a problem at all. I flew out of Dulles with Turkish Airlines, and nobody even batted an eye. Now, Turkish Airlines did offer a Wi-Fi on board for free, but to be honest, if you really do want to get decent speeds, you're going to have to pay for it. The Wi-Fi they offer for free is really just to send text or stuff like that. The real trick is to prepare your Quest ahead of time. Now, what you're going to want to do is download all your media, your favorite apps, games, videos before you board. And if you want to be extra ready, make sure to grab a good VPN too. But let's talk about usability. Can you actually use it in flight? Technically, yes, but your experience is going to depend a lot on where you sit. My seat didn't offer a lot of freedom and movement. I actually started tapping the person in front of me for a couple of times, so I definitely stopped. I didn't keep doing it. So I wouldn't count on a full body gaming experience unless you get a business class pod, exit row, or one of those front row seats with extra leg room. Otherwise, it's going to be limited to more chill apps. And that's not a bad thing. Sitting in an open virtual field or watching a movie like you're alone in a massive private theater, it was a real game changer for me. It made the cramped space feel less cramped. So if you don't mind being that person on the plane wearing a headset, and you prep your Quest right, it can really enhance your long-haul travel. Preload everything, bring a power bank, flip on the airplane mode, and just lean into being that oddball. You might just enjoy your trip a lot more. So that's it for this video. If you're curious about how to load movies onto your MetaQuest, or want more travel tech tips, check out the links below. Safe travels, and see you in the metaverse.
Before my father passed, he wanted me to understand everything it takes for a child to be a man. Said now nobody can kill your smile like your friends. So put the pedal to the floor when they play.